How's your Hampton hotel doing?
Fuck off.
Where are we staying?
I guess I shouldn't say that, huh?
Where are we staying?
In between big trucks.
Why?
Because you won't let me get a hotel.
Well, we're not getting a hotel room because Tracy's going to get up in about 3 hours and go work the lot.
Shit.
Making some gas money to get home because we got to get that big truck home. So Tracy, get some sleep so you can go work.
Whatever.
They're starting to fill up around here. I hear them.
Mm-hmm.
What you doing, girl? What's your current status? Tell us what the current problem is. Go ahead.
We're stuck.
We're stuck.
We're blocked in.
We got a
truck
truck.
won't start.
We got this guy left with a truck. He hasn't. I don't know when he's coming back. This guy's been here since 5 last night. It's almost 5 in the morning the next day. We backed this in so we'd be hid out back here, but it got so cold last night and the truck's not plugged in and the batteries are weak that it won't start. So now we are trying to charge the jump pack again to see if we can get it to start. Is this fun?
No, it's not. All night long.
Where we at? We're in Minnesota. Minnesota. This is our current situation. Tracy was tired last night about 5. So we brought the truck over and we backed in, put that in front of it. We have this guy over here with these trailers. He left with his semi. I don't know where he's going or what he's doing, but it's sitting there with no truck hooked to it. This guy's been here since we've been here at 5 o'clock yesterday, and it's 4 in the morning, Sunday morning. So we slept. We got up about 2 hours ago. The truck would not start. The batteries are too weak. My jump box wouldn't start it. Yeah, it got a lot colder than we thought, and now we're at the mercy of this bullshit or this guy leaving because we can't get out because we are backed against the curb.
Curb and a fence.
But the dogs are passed the hell
Dogs are
out.
sleeping, and I got my blanket and my pillow.
All right. Peace out.
You gonna tell us what you're doing?
Putting this starter back in. Yep, we stuck at Love's for what, 36 hours? That's what we get for taking a nap. Had to put new batteries in it. Rebuilt the starter. I got it stabbed. Now I'm hooking the wires up and getting them finished, and found out that it's either the Clifford alarm system that I didn't get a remote to, that after I put the new batteries in, it's not letting it turn, not letting it power the starter, or I have a relays that I don't know where in the hell they're at that I've been playing with for all day yesterday. So I'm going to mount me a jumper. So you turn the key on and you'll have this on the starter, and I'll have some alligator clips on the battery, and while I'll touch that, now it should start it. So we will see, but my setup, you can see all my tools. Come prepared. See, the rental car is full of tools. Yeah. So that's the thing. Come prepared.
Definitely come prepared.
You want the armrest?
Yeah, there we go.
Look at this. She's a pro at driving this big shit. What do you think? First impression.
Pretty bad. It's actually really
What? Yeah. Just get used to it before you really give her hell. Especially on a curvy road. You are wide over here. Don't run off the road. What?
This seems like a ride.
I know, it's air seat. You like that? You want one over here? It helps cushion it, especially on the highway. Bump, you don't feel the bumps. Are you Mac Mama?
I guess I'm back home.
Can you plow over? Yeah, technically, yes, you can. So, what's your impression? Seriously, you could drive it. It's a non-CDL truck. You can see yourself on the highway.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
And that's what we wanted, for something that we could both drive.
Right. Now it's time just to start building on it. Good platform.